Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be reviewing our new project Blogify. So this is basically about blogs, a blog website where a user can share his blogs experiences with everyone in the world. So this is my project. Always divide the project into two parts, client and a server. This client was just some rough work, so I forgot to delete. Sorry. So client 2 and this is the server. Okay, now I have started both the front end part and the back end part on different ports obviously. So now let me show you the database. So this is how the database should look like. This is the blog database consisting of two collections, blog and user. Blog contains all the details regarding the blogs, its UID, title, image, URL, description. User contains all the details like blogs posted by the user, their UIDs, their names, Gmail accounts. Okay, so let me show you all the APIs that I have created which we'll be going to use. So this is the API users. All these APIs. So we are going to use Axios in Axios library in React to request this APIs. I hope you are all familiar with Axios. You can also check the documentation which will be easily available. So okay, we were on the API part. So this is for signing up the user. This is for this will fetch all the user details. So okay, I'll just implement it side by side. So okay, let's do this sign up quickly. Batman, spelling mistake. Batman. So and this email, batman@gmail.com. Let the password be Louis Lane. Okay. So I have successfully registered batman@gmail.com. So this is the password. I have used bcrypt. So this will always be in an encrypted format, so it will be more secure. So now let us fetch all the users. So let us find Batman now. See, Batman. So we have successfully signed up Batman. Now let's log in Batman. Batman@gmail.com. This was the password. So okay, we have successfully logged in. So now this is the blogs. So let me show you all the blogs that are present. So these are the blogs and these are the image URLs which the user has posted. So I'll tell you about the URL part later. Okay, these currently we have 3 blogs. So and I think the blog APIs will be better if I showed you in the front end. So okay, these are the post requests to add blogs, update a blog. This is the unique ID of the blog which is going to get updated, and in this part it will fetch the blog with this UID, unique ID. By referring to unique ID, I mean the unique ID given by the MongoDB database. It gives a unique ID to each and every object, and this is for deleting a blog with this unique ID, and this is to get all the blogs of the user whose unique ID is this. I hope everyone is now familiar with all the APIs that we were using. So now let us go to the front end part. So let's sign up a new. So I have also implemented this just to change the theme. So we have two options, login and sign up. So let's change to sign up. Let's create an account for Joker. Gmail.com. Let that be a password. Then I'll submit. So okay, so these are the blogs that have been posted by other users. Naman Rao. This is the title. This is the image URL. Okay, this is the description. So let us now explore this website, my blogs. So the user has no blogs currently. So now let us add a blog. So the title will be my favorite character. My favorite character is Batman. Sees the Joker. So he need to upload an image. So Batman images. So I'll just do a right click, copy image address. I'll just paste this here and I'll click submit. So now you can see the blog has been added. My favorite character, favorite character is Batman. Now you can see here the delete button is showing here, but it is not being shown for these three blogs. Why? Because these blog has been uploaded by us and these are by different users. Now let us go to my blogs. Okay, so we can see here we have uploaded my favorite character blog and we can also delete it. So delete, I have deleted the blog. Let's go to all blogs. See, now that blog is not present here. So you can see we successfully created a blog. We can also read the description, title of the blogs written by other users. Can we also deleted a blog. So now if we see my blog section, there are no blogs. So we can again add a blog. So I think I have shown you all the functionalities. So we can also change the theme. Now it is time to log out. So we have logged out. So all this user-friendly interactive interface I have created using Bootstrap, Tailwind, HTML, CSS. So mostly if you are in a hurry, if you want to create just front end for like basic stuff, you can use Bootstrap. But if you want to create your own unique design, you should refer to Tailwind, according to my opinion. And MongoDB is always the best for NoSQL databases. And you can also host this database on MongoDB Atlas. So these were all the APIs. So delete, I already showed you the delete post, a delete blog feature in the website. So I think we have covered all the features. So that was pretty much about the Blogify website. So I also suggest you, so this is my code. Always do, so the key points were always separate the client and the server part. Use Postman for API testing. So always create the backend part first, because backend is logical. Mostly you have to get all these things right. If all these things are right, implement the connect with the Mongo database, or otherwise you can also start with a smaller database or a JSON file inside this VS Code. No need to create any extra database. If all the APIs are working fine, then you can connect it to the MongoDB database and test it using Postman. Okay guys, that's it. So I will be also uploading the code. I will be hosting this website. The code will be uploaded on my GitHub repository, which I will be mentioning in the description below. Okay guys, that was all. Thank you.